What's up YouTube? Josh here with JCS Customs, and today we're going to be DIY tinting our Camaro windows. Let's jump into it. So first off, thank y'all for clicking and watching today's video. And if you're new here, go down below and super smash the like and subscribe button for me to help support the channel. Now, today, like you heard earlier, we're gonna be DIY tinting the windows on the 6th gen Camaro. I do need to throw in, I have never done this before. So part of this video is also to see how easy it is for, let's say a noob, to tint these windows on these cars. So since I am a noob at this, I didn't go out and pick up the most expensive product just to waste money on it if it don't turn out. And if it doesn't turn out, I guess this video is not up. So, but anyways, we went to Walmart and we picked up the Black Magic tint. All right, so here's our product. We got the tint film application kit. It was about 10 bucks. And 2 rolls here of the Select Window Tint by Black Magic. I do have a 3rd roll just for backup, but we're gonna try to do it in 2. So you see it's 20%. Now I do have to say here in Alabama, the tint laws state that on the side windows, the quarter windows, the back window can be 32% with a 6-inch strip on the front window. But guys, I don't think, Walmart sold 35%. I don't think 35% is gonna do this car justice. So we're gonna put 20 on it and see how it goes. If something happens, you know what I mean, I can just take it off. So now, something that a lot of people don't take into consideration. These windows are already pre-tinted from the factory. So if you look in your window here, see that says 70% minimum. That means it lets in 70% of the light. So that window is 70% tinted. So to get your overall tint percentage after applying your aftermarket tint, you'll take that 20% right there, so 20, and multiply it by that 70, which is 1,400, and divide that by 100, and your tint percentage is 14%. So yeah, so make sure to take that in consideration before applying your aftermarket tint, because if your law states 32%, you put 35 on there, it's not really 35, it's going to be a little bit lower, like 28% really. So make sure to take that in consideration. All right, we're going to get a better shot of the window here. We're going to start putting this tint on. A little tip before we get started for frameless windows: when this door is unlocked and pulled open, you'll notice that the whole glass shifts down. Just to demonstrate, you see it shifted down there about 1/2 inch, maybe not even that. You close it, it goes back up. So there's a way to trick the car into thinking that the door is closed, so the glass is fully up, so you can properly tint this thing. My horn just did me in there. All right, so let me show you the quick tip. So right here in your door jamb, you got your door latch. You notice it's open right now, but if we take this flathead screwdriver, push it back, it sort of pushes back. What you want to do is push it all the way back and this window will roll up, watch. It's a little bit, there we go. It's a little bit tough first time you do that, but if we take a look at our window, it is fully rolled up. So what I'm gonna do is set up the tripod here, get a good view of the glass, and we're gonna jump straight into it. I'm gonna throw some beats in the background for y'all, so y'all can watch this process and see how a noob can do as far as on these cars. So I know for sure the back window is going to be difficult, but yeah, we're gonna do it anyways, guys. So let's jump into it. Hopefully it turns out. To get the process started, this is what you get in your tint film application kit. You get a spray bottle, the soap concentration that you do have to mix up according to the directions on the back. It says professional grade squeegee, lint-free rag, and a blade, but I will probably use my own X-Acto knife just because it's a little bit sharper. So let's get it started. Gonna throw some beats in the back and hopefully get these windows tinted up with some 20. Guys, that didn't turn out too bad at all. Look at this. It really, to me, it really don't look like 20%, but to be the first time I've ever tinted something, that didn't turn out bad at all. I think I'm gonna get a hairdryer and kind of blow this top edge dry, because what it is water, that solution is trying to bead up on here and pull this tint down and leak in behind it. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Then we're gonna move on to that one. Alright guys, we're done with this side. I think it turned out great to be a noob at tinting. Especially at back window. It's a little difficult right here, but I got it done. Ended up having to make a template on the outside with a flashlight flashing through. And then I made that too small, so now I took that template and traced a little bit larger around it, and it fit perfect on that inside window. So I'm gonna show you how to get your window to roll back down, because right now this lock is set and your door will not shut. So you're gonna, now this will set off the alarm. So go ahead and have your key out. Pull your door handle. There you go. It's ready to shut, so let's shut it. Now that is much better. So it took me, being that I had the video as well, it took me about 45 minutes to an hour to do this one side, but I was trying to get it properly done. You can see, man, it turned out pretty great. This is just smudge marks from cleaning it here. Now I'm gonna do the other side, and I'm trying to decide if I want to even try to attempt to tackle this back window, because I think I'm just gonna put a louver back here. So if I'm just gonna put a louver, there's no sense in tinting it. So yeah, let's look at the difference. You got that. Well guys, to be the first time I've ever tinted, I think it turned out pretty great. I guess we'll see how it holds up over time. But I appreciate y'all watching today's video, and like always, if you enjoyed it or if you're new here, go down below and super smash the like and subscribe button to help support the channel. Until next time, YouTube, appreciate y'all watching. Peace out.